The Castroferum Dreadnought. Dreadnoughts are heavily armoured and armoured robotic walkers, piloted by an interred space marine whose injuries are irreparable, but who has enough spark of life and will left to endure encasement within the Dreadnought's cyborg frame. From within this armoured sarcophagus, the warrior can continue to fight for his legion for centuries, perhaps millennia, striding the battlefield like one of the giants of legend, both more and less than what they were before. Dreadnoughts have their roots far back in the dark age of technology, and have endured in idiosyncratic forms both on Mars and with the techno-barbaric warlords of Terra, as well as in scattered human realms throughout the Age of Strife. Some of these individual relics are still in service, although many times re-tenanted over the millennia. Brought together now under the banner of the Imperium, many patterns of dreadnoughts exist, and it is in latter-day conjunction with the superhuman physiology of the Space Marines that this technology has reached its zenith.